Way. Hey,
Hey,
you're here.
because Ellen is playing cell phone.
Alright.
So I'll
So-
be the one. So these are the ones from the part 1 and part 2. And these I didn't. Ellen did it.
Alright.
So
So, what are we gonna do?
let's start with this.
What's that?
Monster truck.
What's that?
That's a monster
There.
truck.
Eat your food, ate. Eat cake, ate.
Wait.
Wait, Kay. Zian is explaining something.
Yeah, because Ellen is very busy.
Busy eating? What's that?
There's some design stuff.
Is that the sound?
No, those Ellen's read thing in the cell phone.
Alright. So, what can you tell about that?
It has big wheels
Mm-hmm.
and it has
It has an orange chassis.
yeah. What's a chassis
It's the body,
of a
the bottom body.
okay?
This one, the black and orange. Is that orange or red?
That's
I think
right.
it's a red.
And
What's the
there's
color there?
That's red glass or something. And you can see that window. You
What's
can
the
see
design there?
inside. That's the stars, the wavy thing, and it says Hot Wheels there.
It says Hot Wheels. Let me see. It's not very clear,
Yeah, you may not see it.
but it's actually Hot Wheels.
Hot Wheels, you mean the wheels are hot.
Cake, ate.
Hot!
Oh, it's hot.
I'm just kidding. It's not really hot.
Oh,
Okay, next
next.
we have.
Should we introduce only 3 cars here?
Okay, we have
What's that?
this car.
I think it's a Volkswagen.
I'm not really good at naming the cars.
Yeah? So what's that?
That
Can you
is-
explain what's that?
It's like
Some kind of a car with
in the bottom. It's like metal.
metal chassis, yeah?
Yeah, it's a metal chassis with a red wheels. There's 4. And there's is that an engine or what?
I think so, yeah.
And
That's the one of the car that has engine at the back instead of the front.
There's a design and it's a stunt team.
Stunt team, huh? So
Yeah.
it do stunt works.
Yeah, and also
The dangerous moves in the movie, they're done by a stunt man or stunt team.
Yeah. And inside you can see blue chairs, blue windows or something. So you can see the inside. That's the inside right
Oh
there.
yeah, it's open top.
It's open. I'm not joking. I
Oh,
can put my
really?
finger.
Eat rice, man.
Don't tell me if I'm just joking, but I'm not. See?
What else?
And in this we have
Oh, it's an interesting piece of... Is that a car? A
yeah.
race car?
I'm not sure if it's a race car.
I think it's a race car.
Yeah.
It's a weird kind of looking...
I'm not sure if this is a
Race.
race car or something. This
It's also
other
a
one.
race car, yeah.
So let's when I was playing with Ellen's car the last time, I was
Yeah.
like, I'm not sure if this is the seat, but I thought this was the front, but this was the front.
Uh-huh.
So I was
So-
mistaken. So this was the front.
That's the front. Yeah, of course, it's the front.
So I was not looking at the chair. Sorry. Okay. There's a blue chest again.
Chassis.
Chassis. And we have wheels.
Shiny black wheels, huh?
Small black. And there's holes. And that's the chair over there.
The seat, car seat.
Chair over there. That's right. Okay, next.
That's it.
Huh?
That's it. Okay?
We're done.
Say bye to your friends.
Bye.
See you later, friends.
See you later.